Bestsellers, Kelly and Ryan here. We are Watch Us Wander. We're coming to you from our home in North Carolina, and we have two suitcases to show you. Level 8 has sent us the Grace CarryOn as well as the Luminous textured CarryOn to review just for you.
We recently went on a one-week trip to Colorado, and we thought we would take you through the pros and cons of each bag, as well as how they handled in the airport and on the airplane, plus take you through what we were able to pack inside of each one.
First up is the 20-inch Luminous textured CarryOn bag. It has a sleek and modern design and measures at 21.5 inches tall, 14.5 inches across, and this measures in at 9.2 inches here. These measurements do fall within most US airline domestic requirements. The bag also weighs 7.7 pounds and has 40-liter capacity. The most important part of a bag for me are the wheels. I need strong, sturdy, and reliable wheels that can go over several miles, over lots of different kinds of terrain. The nice thing about the Level 8 wheels is that there are 4 double wheels. This means that there's a very smooth and clean 360-degree spin, and you can travel with the bag either upright or at a tilt. The telescopic handle has 4 different positions. This is the tallest position here, the second, the third, and the fourth. I always travel with a backpack, and this guy was strong enough to handle having the backpack slid on and off all week. That was very convenient. To lift the bag, there are 2 handles, one handle on top and one handle on the side. On top of the bag, there's also a TSA-approved combination lock. One more feature I want to point out before we jump into the inside of the bag are these 4 feet on this side. This helps you keep the bag stable if you ever need to set it down like this. Okay, let's move to the inside of the bag. First off, I want to say these zippers feel awesome. They feel really strong and sturdy. When you open it up, you've got 2 sides to the bag. Both are closed with mesh zipper flaps. This side has 2 smaller compartments. And then when you open it up, this is the larger of the 2 sides of the suitcase. So you can see that there's a nice high quality fabric lining. And you've got a little bit of space taken away from the wheels, but otherwise it's wide open. On this side, you do have a little space missing just because of the trolley handle assembly. So this is where I like to pack my squishable items. So things like socks and undergarments and all of my clothes. Now I like to roll my clothes. I believe that that saves space. So this is the side that I think my clothes just fit best in. I like to put them in all the nooks and crannies. And then on the other side is where I fit all of my non-squishable items. Things like shoes and my hot tools and my makeup bag, my toiletries, and all of those, hard-sided things. And that's kind of how I always pack, and you'll be surprised at how much you can fit in here. So that's it for the Level 8 20-inch Luminous textured CarryOn bag. Now Ryan's going to come in and show you all the specs of the Grace CarryOn.
This is the 20-inch Grace CarryOn. Now, while Kelly has been using hard-sided luggage for a while, I have been lugging around a duffel bag through the airports, giving my shoulders quite the workout. So I was very excited to try out a rolling suitcase. The Grace is 21.8 inches tall, 14.5 inches wide, and 9.8 inches deep, which fits well in most overhead compartments. It also has an expander, which expands it an additional 1.57 inches, taking its capacity from 36 liters to 42 liters. The Grace has many of the same features as the Luminous textured CarryOn. It has 360-degree rotating double wheels, telescopic trolley handle, top and side handles, as well as a TSA-approved lock. The main feature that sets this apart is this front compartment. This is ideal for storing your laptop and other electronics that you may need while on the road. It has just enough of an opening to get in for quick access to everything, but with undoing these Velcro, flips fully open. Let's take a look inside. On this side, you have your main pouch, perfect for fitting your laptop, and a smaller pouch, perfect for a tablet, a Kindle, something like that. They say it fits up to a 15.6-inch laptop in there. Mine was able to fit no problem. Behind this is a small compartment that backs up to the main compartment. Not exactly sure what I might use this for, but one thing to note is that it is fabric lined on these sides, but the bottom is actually right up against the hard case of the suitcase. On this side, there are two pockets. Excellent for storing your cell phone, wireless earbuds, a tablet of paper, whatever you kind of need in there, and two pen or pencil holders. There are two pockets also, one above that and one below that. This is perfect for like charging cables or something like that. I wouldn't put anything too sensitive in there because it does again back right up against the exterior hard shell. That is the, I'm going to call it electronics compartment. Let's go look at the inside of the suitcase. All right, on the inside, both sides have a fabric flap. This side is just a single flap, and it opens to the compartment that backs up against the electronics compartment, so you do lose a little depth here. On this side, you have this nice mesh pocket. I found it perfect for your toiletries. And there are these buckles, so you can tighten that down a little bit, get a little bit of compression there. Just press down on the buckles to undo that. And this side has the trolley handle assembly, so again, you lose a little space, but like Kelly said, you put your squishy items in here. This also has a buckle that you can use for a little bit of compression. And that's it for the 20-inch Grace CarryOn.
Now that you're an expert on both of these carry-ons from Level 8, you can save 10% on your very own Level 8 purchase with the code WatchUsWander10. This code is good on all products from the official Level 8 website. The code is WatchUsWander10 and the website is level8cases.com. Both the code and the website can be found in the description below.
Thank you for watching this gear review. We hope you found it helpful. Feel free to check out our travel vlogs from around the world, including Antarctica, the Galapagos, and more. And as always, thanks for watching us wander.